I Am Scared of My Hoover by Jay Family. I am scared of my Hoover. I bought it 9 months ago. Fax Power Nano. Ooh, sounded so cool. Silver grey handle, transparent bagless chamber, and a red hat to empty it, and a bunch of tubes. I've used it twice, and the second time I used it, I think I broke it, and I am scared to confirm that fear. If the Hoover I spent £120 on 9 months ago is broken, it means I got 6 months worth of cat hair to sweep up with a dustpan and brush. And that ain't gonna be fun.